Binance versus Tokocrypto. Choosing the right crypto exchange can completely change how you trade and manage your digital assets without unnecessary fees or security worries. Both offer unique features and cater to different user needs. Binance and Tokocrypto are prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, but they differ in scale and focus. Binance is a global powerhouse with extensive offerings, while Tokocrypto serves primarily the Indonesian market with localized services. The core difference lies in their reach and user experience. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide, offering a comprehensive platform for trading hundreds of cryptocurrencies. It operates with advanced technology, providing spot, futures, margin trading, and staking options. Binance's strength lies in its liquidity, wide range of coins, and competitive fees. It supports global users with multi-language interfaces and extensive educational resources. However, Binance can be overwhelming for beginners due to its complex interface and regulatory scrutiny in some countries. Its vast ecosystem includes a native token, Binance Coin, BNB, which offers fee discounts and other benefits. Ideal users are active traders and investors seeking diverse trading options and global access. Binance's security measures are robust, but users must stay vigilant due to its size, attracting sophisticated cyber threats. Overall, Binance suits those who want a powerful, feature-rich platform with global reach. Tokocrypto is a leading cryptocurrency exchange based in Indonesia, tailored to the local market's needs. It offers a user-friendly interface focused on simplicity and security, making it accessible for beginners and casual traders. Tokocrypto supports a growing list of cryptocurrencies with competitive fees and integrates with Indonesian banking systems for smooth fiat deposits and withdrawals. Its strengths include strong regulatory compliance in Indonesia, localized customer support, and educational initiatives to promote crypto adoption. While it lacks the extensive coin variety and advanced trading features of global giants, Tokocrypto emphasizes trust and ease of use within its region. Limitations include a smaller international presence and fewer advanced tools for professional traders. Tokocrypto is ideal for Indonesian users who want a reliable, compliant exchange with straightforward trading and excellent local support. Binance and Tokocrypto serve different audiences and trading needs. Binance excels in variety and advanced trading, perfect for users who want global access and professional tools. For example, a trader looking to diversify with many altcoins and futures contracts will benefit from Binance's extensive offerings. On the other hand, Tokocrypto shines for Indonesian users, prioritizing regulatory compliance and ease of fiat transactions. Its localized banking integration and support make it a safer choice for those new to crypto or focused on the Indonesian market. However, Tokocrypto's limited advanced features may not satisfy experienced traders. Binance's complexity and regulatory challenges might deter beginners. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize global reach and advanced features or local compliance and simplicity. Choose Binance if you need a global exchange with a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading tools for serious investment and diversification. Tokocrypto is the best choice for Indonesian users seeking a secure, easy-to-use platform with strong local support and compliance. It's ideal for beginners and those focused on regional trading. Ultimately, your choice should match your trading style and location.